Examples. Find the cube of minus 0.3. Solution. This same thing as what? Minus 0.3 raised to the power of 3. Then we can write this as what? We need to convert 0.3 to a proper fraction first. And this can be written as what? Minus 3 over 10. Then we have raised to the power of 3. Now, we can write this as what? Minus 3 over 10 times minus 3 over 10 times minus 3 over 10. Then we can write this as what? Minus times plus. Sorry, minus times minus. That is plus. Then plus and minus, we have minus. So 3 times 3, what do we have? 9. 9 times 3, we have 27. Divided by. Now, 10 times 10, we have 100. Times 10, what do we have? 1,000. Now, we need to write this as a decimal. Writing this as a decimal. So what do we have? We are going to map from the front. From the first number, we have 2 to 1. Then, what do we have? 7 to 0. Now, the unmapped zeros are the denominator. We have 2. So those 2's will form our zeros before the first second digit. So what do we have? We have minus 0.012. These are the 2 zeros are the denominator. The unmapped zeros are the denominator. So 0.0. Then what do we have? The number numerator, what do we have? 2. Then we have 7. So the answer is minus 0.027. That is a solution to the problem. Thank you.